SaaS companies often receive numerous client requests, support tickets, feature requests, onboarding forms, or billing inquiries. Managing this manually wastes time and increases response delay. In this tutorial, I'll show you how SaaS companies automate client requests using Google Forms so your team can handle requests efficiently while keeping clients informed. Welcome back to Formula. You'd want to navigate to the Google Workspace Marketplace, search for Form Mailer email notification and click on Install. In my previous video, I showed you step by step how to do this, or you can simply click the link in the description. This will take you straight to Form Mailer and you can go through the installment process. Next, you want to go to the Google Workspace Marketplace. For this video, I already created a form. You can either create one or click on an already created form. Next, you would want to insert the essential fields you would want your internal team to receive and also your clients to receive whenever they fill a form. So for this video, I already did that. Next, you want to click on add-ons, click on form mailer, manage email notification. Your form mailer is automatically linked to the email you used in your installation process. Now you want to insert the name you want your clients to see whenever they send a form, and you also want your internal team to receive whenever they receive a form. For this, you would want to make sure that the name is connected to either your company or maybe your personal name that is known by both your client and your team. Next, you're going to set up two mails. You'd want to navigate to the email template. Your respondent mail, this is what your clients automatically receive after submitting a form. Now you'd want to edit this mail. For this tutorial, I already have one set up. You would want to insert the mail you want them to receive. In this mail, you can edit what is already in your form that you would also want them to see. So all you have to do is insert fields from form and click on what you want inserted from your form. You can include a link, you can include images, and adjust the font size and also your font all in this bar right here. Now all you have to do is save changes. Next, you want to go to your recipient's mail. This is what your internal team receives whenever a form is being submitted by a client. You want to go through the same process as setting up your respondent's mail. You can adjust this and insert the fields you also want them to see whenever a form is being submitted by a client. Save changes. Next, you want to go to your recipient's detail. This is the detail of your internal team that you'd want your clients, you want the emails to go to whenever a client submits one. So you can insert as many team members as you want. Example. Just click on return. You can save as many as you'd like to receive this mail internally and save changes. And that's it. Your form mailer is all set up and ready to go. Now let's test this form. Copy link. Email. request type, priority level, and submit. Your team would automatically get this mail, and the respondent would also receive a mail. So let's check that out. As you can see, Internet Pro, the name written for your sender will be what your team sees when this mail is submitted. Also what the respondent sees as well. And everything that has been set up will be received here as well, with details on what to do next that was set up in your mail. The respondent also receives a mail stating what they had also submitted in the form. This is to let them know that you had received it, and the request summary as well. And that is it. You have set up your internal team mails to manage your process effectively. With Formula, you receive 10 mails a month, but you can upgrade this by simply going to add-ons, click on Formula, click on manage your account, and you will be able to get $3 per month. You would get 15,000 emails monthly and 24 hours support. And with $30 a year, you will get 15,000 emails monthly, 12% discount, and 24 hours support. All you have to do is click on upgrade. Thank you, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and let me know what tutorial you'd love to see next from Formula. Thank you.